Load the silverware basket while it's in the dishwasher, or take the basket out for loading on a counter or tabletop. Load items with covers down, if applicable, using the separators to prevent silverware nesting. If there are no covers, mix items in each section of the basket with some pointing up and some pointing down to avoid nesting. Spray cannot reach nested items. If applicable, place small items such as baby bottle caps, jar lids, and corn cob holders in the sections with hinged covers. Close the cover to hold the small items in place. Always load sharp items such as knives, skewers, etc., pointing down. Do not load silver or silver-plated silverware with stainless steel. These metals can be damaged by contact with each other during washing. Some foods such as salt, vinegar, milk products, and fruit juices can pit or corrode silverware. Run a rinse cycle if you do not have a full load to wash immediately. The silverware basket can be hung on the door or on the bottom rack. To remove the basket from the door, grasp the silverware basket by the handle, slide it toward the top of the door, lift the basket off the holding buttons. To replace the basket in the door, set the silverware basket on the holding buttons, slide the basket toward the bottom of the door until it locks into place.